Hey there, Andrew Texador with FOM Holdings and Investments, and we are on the way to Mexico. Isn't that right there, Donatello? He's one of the mutant ninja turtles. So anyway, I decided to cut a little video because otherwise I'll probably drive myself crazy listening to this video that Andrew is watching. And so anyway, what we're talking about right now as okay, here's the deal. You can do that and I won't interrupt you, but let me cut my video, all right? Because I gotta at least turn this into something productive. All right, baby boy? Yeah. Please. So what I was just thinking about is you see all sorts of mentoring programs and courses for sale, real estate investing programs, groups and whatnot, and I've bought a lot of the stuff, and what I'm trying to get to though, the most important thing is that the success that you're going to have as a real estate investor specifically is not going to be from any one course or tip or trick that anybody's going to tell you. It's actually going to be from this very one thing, okay? And it's contrary to what most gurus in the business are teaching, right? Because they want to teach you zero money down, how to make money in real estate, no money down. That's bullshit. I'm just going to tell you right now, all right? It is bullshit, because you can't buy a house without money. You need money to buy a house. Now, you can wholesale properties in some cases without coming up with money, but that's not where you will get and build wealth in real estate, not by wholesaling houses, but by raising private money. Okay, so that's the biggest thing that you'll take away from here, is raise private money from individuals that you know, trust, or know and trust you, that you have a relationship with, that you can pay them a really good solid return on their investment with, and still go out and get into velocity or do multiple transactions at a time. That's how you can build wealth. And then by flipping a bunch of, by doing a really good job and being able to make 25 to 30 grand a deal, if you could do 3 or 4 of them a month, every couple of months you buy a house free and clear that will be a cash flow property. That's how you build wealth. Otherwise, you'll be out there and you'll just be a transactional real estate investor relying on your next transaction. You want to be able to buy houses free and clear so that years down the road they're paying it. So in learning how to raise money, you have to understand what people have for options, alternatives, like traditional investments, right? Mutual funds, stocks, annuities, CDs, bonds. You have to know about those, kind of become an expert at it. Really, what are those, what are the returns on them traditionally? What are penalties? What are the costs to get them, okay? Most people that are in 401ks and IRAs and stocks, they don't really know the true cost of their investment, right? There's annual fees involved with that. They don't really even know how to read their statements, right? They don't, who does, right? You get a 401k statement and you look and you see, I made 7% this quarter or whatever it may be, but you don't really know what those investments are about. So it's important that you, as an investor, a real estate investor, can know what people have for options so that you can provide them with a better option, and so that you can be credible and that you can be confident when you're offering people 10 or 12% interest, fixed interest on their money secured by real estate. So hope that was helpful. That's the number one thing I can teach anybody or tell anybody, is learn how to raise money and then go out and do it. Because once you can raise $500,000 or $1 million, you can go out and buy a couple of properties and be in a position where you're doing it on a regular basis. You can learn more about how we flip Phoenix and how you can get involved. Learn from us, watch what we're doing, get real value. We don't have a course to sell you. We don't have anything to sell you. Follow us on YouTube /FOM Holdings, Twitter /FOM Holdings, Facebook /FOM Holdings, LinkedIn /FOM Holdings. Comment on our stuff, share with others, and good luck to you. Thanks so much. Bye now.